TikTok comments not showing. Fix it in second. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, first of all, you have to go and open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then you may be able to see all of your activity over here. You will be see the videos and you will be able to see the comments. Now if you are not able to see the comments on your videos, if you want to see the comments on your video, you have to go tap on your video and then you have to go on the comment section. But if these comments are not loading over here, then you have to go back and then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above, and then you have to go on settings and privacy option. In the settings and privacy option, you have to scroll down, and over here under the cache and cellular data option, you have to free up space option. Now as you click on free up space option, you have to clear the cache from here. Now you have to click on clear cache, and then it will clear all the cache, and that will fix the TikTok comments showing. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.